In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable process you can use every time you pay for something with a business credit card, so your books stay accurate and your reports make sense. First, let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the plus sign labeled New. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create most types of transactions in QuickBooks, like invoices, bills, and in this case, expenses. From the menu that opens, choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks that you're recording money going out of your business, and we're going to link that to your credit card. On the expense form, look for the field called Payment Account. Open that drop-down menu and select the specific credit card you actually used for the purchase. This part is important. If you have multiple credit cards, make sure you pick the right one so your credit card balance in QuickBooks matches your real statement later. Next, enter the payee. This is the vendor or company you paid, such as a software provider, office supply store, or utility company. Typing in the correct payee helps you quickly search transactions later and run more detailed reports by vendor. Now fill in the payment date. This should be the date the transaction actually happened, not necessarily the date you're entering it in QuickBooks. You can also add a reference number, like the last few digits of a receipt number, and use the memo field to describe the purchase in a bit more detail. For example, you might write something like office supplies for marketing team or monthly subscription for accounting software. These notes can really help when you're reviewing your books or working with your accountant. Scroll down to the category details section. Here, you'll choose the appropriate expense account for the charge. This could be something like office supplies, software, utilities, meals, or any other expense category you've set up in your chart of accounts. Selecting the correct category ensures your profit and loss report is accurate and that your spending is properly grouped. If you're unsure, choose the category that best matches the nature of the purchase and keep it consistent over time. Finally, enter the amount of the expense. Double-check that the number is correct and that it matches your receipt or credit card statement. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded a credit card transaction in QuickBooks Online, and your credit card balance and expenses are now updated and ready for reporting.